In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elder's Market Thermometer indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for any market you want to analyze, like a stock, crypto pair, or forex pair. It doesn't matter which symbol you use, the process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies panel, where you can search through all the built-in tools that TradingView offers. Inside this panel, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any specific indicator you want without scrolling through long lists. Click once on that search bar so your cursor is active inside it. Now start typing the name of the indicator, Elder's Market Thermometer. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the results in real time. When you see Elder's Market Thermometer appear in the list of results, make sure it's the built-in version provided by TradingView. Then simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see a new panel appear, usually underneath your main price chart, showing the Elder's Market Thermometer values. Now that the indicator is on your chart, you'll probably want to adjust the settings so it fits your personal trading style and is easy to read. To do that, move your mouse over the name of the indicator on the chart or in the indicator panel. You'll see a small gear or settings icon appear next to the name. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings window, you can fine-tune things like inputs and visual appearance. Take a moment to adjust the colors, line thickness or style so it stands out clearly against your background. If you're just starting out, it's usually best to keep the default input values and only change the visuals for readability. Once you're happy with the way it looks, click OK or close the window to save your changes. If you don't already have TradingView Pro, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get access to this indicator and many more professional tools.